What's up? I was gonna say Snap. I be on Snapchat too much. But what's up, y'all? What's up, LTs? Khayla and I is here. We are just riding around, guys, trying to get out the house, you know, just running errands and yeah, just pretty much just hanging out together. I just called my son. I was trying to get in touch with him, trying to go visit him, but he won't answer his phone. So we just sitting here in the parking lot, basically at this shopping center, trying to figure out what we want to do. Khayla wanted to get her nails done, so we might do that. She over here on her phone. Hey, y'all.
You have to do all that. You have to show them me,
Y'all, last night Khayla was in so much pain with her nose until I put some Neosporin on her nose. Then it felt better for her. So, why you shook your head?
It was hurting.
Oh, okay.
It was hurting real bad.
Yeah, but after I put that on her, you know, it felt a lot better. So this morning, she said it still feels, you know, good.
Well, it was burning this morning because I have a cold, and you know I gotta blow my nose, y'all. So it was burning.
Aww. Yeah, guys. So we're just sitting here. I really don't feel like moving this truck, but I don't want to move it because I want to know exactly where we're going. You know what I'm saying? So where we going?
Yeah, I need to shave my leg because I'm turning into a werewolf.
I need to shave mine too, but I shaved it the other day though. But hair grow back so quick.
Yes.
I'm like, what the heck? I need some.
I just arched my eyebrows, y'all, and guess what? It's like 5 hairs on me.
You count them, Khayla. You count your hair, girl.
That ain't funny. That is a serious situation. I don't like arching my eyebrows, and I just did them, and now they appearing bad.
Khayla don't have on no makeup today. She didn't even do her eyebrows today.
I sure did. I'm LaChe Keys.
Oh my God.
LaChe Keys protest.
Okay. This young man over there, I don't know if you guys see him. Oh, he just looked up when I did that. He over there. But anyway, he just asked me if I registered to vote, and I told him yes. I don't know who that lady talking to. I thought she was talking to me with herself instead. See herself instead. I don't want to put her on camera because she keep looking over here. But I told him yes. I couldn't even go into the store because I had went into the store right here, and he was like, "You registered to vote?" And I'm like, yes. But anyway, but
guess what, y'all? I deserve better than you. I deserve better.
You gonna do that prank?
What prank?
The lyric prank thing?
I was scared to do that.
Why?
I was so scared to do that.
Why? Who you gonna prank?
I ain't gonna do that.
You ain't gonna do it?
I'm like, this look. I deserve better. I'm like, what you mean? Better than you. And then I ain't gonna put the other part. You're like, but what did I do? I don't know the bird shit. I want to put something. Oh, my throat. I got a sore throat, y'all.
Oh, get away from me. I don't want that. No.
No, I'm drinking your drink.
Ah, Khayla, see, y'all. The ocean spray drink, y'all, it's almost gone. It's almost gone. Because of who?
Don't even blame that on me.
Because of who?
Don't even blame that on me because it was both of us.
Because, well, yeah, I've been drinking it too, but nobody didn't tell her. See, this is why she grabbed. Let me explain something. Okay. Ooh, phone down. Okay. Let me explain something to y'all. Khayla like mango. She love mango, okay? I'm a great fan, okay? That's why she grabbed the mango, because she loves mango more than I do. I mean, the drink is good, the juice is good, but I prefer grape over mango. So that's why she chose the mango, because it's, you know, it's her favorite. So, she's guilty, y'all. Put it down. You just said you have the sore throat. Get a waterfall.
I already put my mouth on it.
No, Khayla, get water. No, Khayla, I see it on your lip. Waterfall. Waterfall, girl.
Okay, my mouth is dry.
Okay, y'all, we're gonna watch her do this. Waterfall. Ew, you breathing all on the. So LT's, Khayla and I, we are back home. We've been here for a while. We didn't get our nails done or anything like that. We just changed our mind on that and just came back home. We didn't do nothing. So she's right here actually laying on my bed. She just woke up and Kobe and Heather's in the living room watching a show called Blaze. Kobe is so addicted to right now. It's about a car or something like that. I really don't know what it's about. But right now I'm getting ready to make some hamburgers and fries. Yeah, I'm just about to make one hamburger for me. Well, we are eating one hamburger each, and I'm making Kobe and having some hot dogs and fries. So yeah, I'll probably eat a salad on the side. Y'all know I gotta have a salad. That don't sound right, do it? Hamburger and fries and salad. No. So I probably just eat the salad later on today or something like that, because I do want some salad. So probably later on I'll eat some salad. If I feel like I'm getting back hungry or something like that, I'll do that. So yeah, y'all still have this watermelon I need to cut. Here go Kobe and Heaven right here playing on the floor again, guys. They love to do this. I don't know what the thrill is, but they are enjoying themselves. Khayla, Kobe, Heaven, we're chilling, y'all. We're chilling. Are we leaving? Oh yeah, stretch it out, stretch it out. She's stretching out my leg, y'all. Yep, go further. That's the one with my knee, y'all. My knee been doing better though.
Oh, y'all, come on.
They trying to help. What's up? I thought you were gonna do it. No, don't get on me like that. Move. I thought you were gonna stretch me out like that. Getting ready to cut the watermelon finally. Don't you cut yourself.
I got this. I got this.
Is it hard? Why are you shushing me? Y'all, we have the washer and the dryer going on again. You hear the noise in the background. Ooh, it's seedless. Ooh. It's good. I'm so excited. Hold on. Oh my God. This is so sweet. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is too sweet. Oh my God. Look, that's it. I'm cutting mine like in squares and put it in a bowl. What are you doing?
I don't know what I'm doing. Okay.
Girl, don't drop it.
I'm not.
Don't do it like that. Why is she doing it like that?
Because I was supposed to have put it down the middle for me and you, but I didn't. I'm sorry.
This girl.
Look here, baby. At least I cut it.
I didn't even ask you to cut it. You demanded. Oh, I know how to do it.
That was so natural.
Can y'all see the sweat popping off my face? Can you see it? Can you see it? It is so hot in this car. Oh my God, the car won't start now. My dad trying to get the car started. Sweat. Nasty. Hate sweat. And you want me to sit in this car? You want me to sit in this hot? You want me to sit in this hot car? Keason, what you doing? Y'all, it's hot. Okay. No. It's funny, the lights and stuff still on. It just won't start. What he say? What he say? Keys. What did he say?
In a few more seconds, you gotta move the white truck down like you did last time. So you can do the cable thing.
Okay.
It's hot out here, y'all.
Duh. See the sweat? See the sweat? Wait. Blow the horn. No. It's not doing nothing. Y'all, this feel like a sauna. Huh? Move the truck. Okay. Y'all gotta move this truck. Guys, he want me to move this truck. Oh my God. Ooh, it's locked. Unlock the door, Keason. Unlock it. I don't have a key to unlock it. Wait a minute, hold on. Oh, I do. I did have the key to unlock it, y'all. Okay.
Oh God, it's hot.
It's hot everywhere. Oh my God. This is my daddy's work truck. I hate the way this truck smells.
Mother.
Yeah.
Okay, Mama gotta do this.
Okay. I be scared to drive this truck. I be so scared to drive this truck. I don't know why. And my dad's driveway. It's, oh, I thought I was going off the edge.
This driveway is terrible.
Crooked. That's how right? Cricket.
Cricket. Yes.
Okay, hold on.
And these brakes work so fast.
Yeah.
Oh my God, can I let this window down?
Yes, why these windows up? Oh my God, I thought I was. Oh.
We finna die.
Oh.
You got you
Like you're
sweating.
too close to me.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
It's far.
Y'all, my dad looking at me like.
Okay. Now going back in. This is so hard. You gotta back up.
I'm coming. He looking at me like, this girl can't drive.
You can drive.
Ooh.
She going down. You want me to show them?
Ah! I got hit in the face with a
Oh my God. Ah! Oh my God.
Back up.
Back up.
Come this way. Right here. Right here. Stay in this truck. It's a pop.
Here you go, brother.
Want me to turn the truck on? I'm in a sauna. You gotta pull it hard. Be a man. I told him be a man. You got it? Okay. Okay, he had muscles, y'all. Y'all see this sweat, man. Oh my God. I can get out. I just napped. It's hot. See my daddy trying to walk.
Okay.
Huh?
I can't.
What'd you say, Daddy?
I said I can't.
You can walk. You walking.
Alright.
Can't depend on this all the time. Y'all, it's so hot. I'm standing right here in the shade. It feels like a sauna for real. Guys, it started. Hallelujah.
Come here, Kate. Come here.
It started. I don't know if I want to drive the truck now, guys. I might drive his work truck. I need to go to the store real quick.